Okay, so using bonus process menu. So when do you want to use this bonus process menu? Okay, first when you want to process bonus pay in advance before end month pay processing. Okay. Secondly, if you want to process bonus after 2018, but you want the bonus payment to be included in year assessment 2019 for IRAS. So example, you want to process your bonus January 2019, okay, but you want to include your payment to be included in year assessment on 2019 for IRAS. Okay, you also can use this menu, bonus process menu. Next, when you require for separate bonus payroll listing report, okay, and next when you want to print bonus payslip. Okay, now we can go for bonus processing. Okay, I will show you one by one first. Okay, so there are two ways for you to pay your employee bonus. Okay, first way is you do it in allowance and deduction. Okay, I will show you later. Now I just explain to you. So you just enter the bonus in the employee allowance or deduction. Then you run starting month. And then the bonus will be paid together in your end month, which is your salary. So it's together with the end month. So I will show you in the software. Payroll, housekeeping, employee allowance deduction. Okay, this is how you normally will do it. You just enter the bonus here. Okay, select bonus and then you enter the amount, starting date and end date. This is how you normally do. Then next, second way, as I said previously, using the bonus processing icon. So if you want to separate your bonus from your end month, you can use this. Okay, the process is generate the bonus. Okay, I will show you one by one later. So I will just say the review first. Generate the bonus. Print your bonus payroll listing report. Okay, if you want to do any amendment, you do it in bonus data entry. And then lastly, you do bonus pay process. Okay, now we go into one by one. Okay, first, payroll, bonus processing. Okay, you can take note. First step is update bonus factor. Okay. Okay, once you click it, this window will come out. Okay, so bonus factor is a multiplying factor for your bonus. So for example, if you put your bonus factor as 1, okay, it will generate 1 month bonus or salary. Okay, so let's say you want to generate half month bonus. Okay, so you put 0.5 for half month. But if your bonus is not fixed, right, every employee is different. Okay, let's say your bonus is performance based. Okay, it's not fixed like 1 or 2 or 0.5, and you put 0. Okay, because later you'll be able to input the amount in bonus data entry. So if it's a variable, then put 0. Okay, first step, bonus factor. Okay, in the employee master record, under salary tab, the bonus factor will also shown here, so it's 1. Okay, that's the first step. Next, click on generate bonus. Okay, before we can key in into bonus data entry, we need to click this. Okay, post to payroll period. Okay, choose which payroll period you want to post to. Okay, and then you here in IR8A assessment year, you decide the IR8A year of assessment. Okay, example, if you want to pay bonus on December 2018, okay, then you put 2018 December, so your IRAS here should be 2019. Okay, another example is if you want to pay bonus in January next year, January 2019, but you want to report together with your payroll for 2018, then the IRAS year is 2019 also. Okay, now your bonus year, the purpose of bonus year is to prorate for employee that joined in that year. Okay, here example, if you put 2018 here as the bonus year, the system will prorate to those that joined in 2018. Okay, then you can choose whether you want to deduct no pay leave from your bonus. If you want to deduct, then okay, tick this option. Okay, click process. Okay, then after process, then you click on your bonus payroll listing. Okay, you choose provisional. Okay, this report you can view before you click on your bonus, so you check all of your bonus amount that you are paying for the employee is correct or not. Okay, so this provisional report, it hasn't been posted to payroll yet. Okay, next is bonus data entry. Okay, this is for any correction or amendment you want to do for employee bonus. Okay, we click on it, choose your IRAS year, should be 2019. Okay, in here, this highlighted red color here, you just double click and then you input the correct amount of bonus. Remember just now, if you if your bonus factor is 0, okay, everyone is different, then you can input here one by one the correct amount, that your data entry. Or if you check your bonus and then find there's an error, then you can just put the correct amount here, and the CPF calculation will be automatically calculated for you. Okay, then you click save. After that, you can go back to bonus payroll listing report and check provisional. Okay, later I will show you guys the report again. Okay, okay, this is the last step, bonus pay process. Please remember, very important, to back up your database before you do bonus pay process. Okay, because if you do not back up your database and you already do the processing, if you want to change anything, maybe your bonus factor is wrong or your bonus something is not correct, you need to start all over again from first step, which is update bonus factor. Okay, so if you don't want to do all that again, then you need to back up database in case anything wrong. Okay, after you back up, click bonus pay process. Okay, this window will pop up. Okay, this is to run after you run this, you will finalize your bonus pay and the amount will be posted into payroll. So if you, okay, bonus paid as advance, if you want to pay separate from your end month payroll, okay, separate from the salary, choose yes. Okay, I repeat, if you want to pay separate from your end month payroll, click yes for this option. But if you choose no, then if you don't want to separate it, then you choose no. Okay, post to end month pay period, then you just choose your end month pay period that you would like to post to. Click update. Okay, so after you run your bonus processing, then you can go to your end month and do a starting month. Okay, your payroll inquiry here. Okay, if you have chosen to pay the bonus in advance, just now you click yes. Okay, it will show here, bonus advance paid. Okay, if you're chosen to pay bonus separately, you can use bonus pay slip or bonus interbank gyro. Okay, then you can check your bonus payout in bonus payroll listing.